Hello everybody, this is Rexanna, and right now I am about to start my oven. I've got this on boil, and this is a cup of reishi mushroom, and might be a little bit more, but it was really hard. This is like really hard reishi. It looks wood. It's dehydrated, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in here. The water is not boiling yet, but I'm gonna be cleaning my kitchen while this gets to boiling. After it gets to boiling, I'm gonna turn it down on really low, probably turn it to about right 3, and right now it'll be probably around 9. This is cold water. This is really good, clean water, no chlorine or anything like that. And so that's about a gallon of water to 1 cup of reishi mushroom. And we will let it go for about an hour, and then we'll come back and check it. So I'm gonna go away for about an hour, and then we'll come back and we'll look at it. Okay, this is Rexanna. I'll be back in about an hour. Okay, I'm back. It's been an hour, and this right here looks really a rich color, and I think it looks really good. It smells like, I don't know, this looks kind of like just a dehydrated mushroom. I'm gonna try to get, I'm holding my iPhone. My computer's still in the shop. This here, just to me, looks like a mushroom that has been, it looks like you can get some water out of it. It looks like a meaty, see, I can see the water squishing out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick it back in there. It smells really good. It doesn't smell bad. It's actually recommended that you cook it for, I'm gonna just put my lid back on there, and I'm gonna just let it go. I had turned my, oh no, I've got it there on 3. I put about a half a cup of water back in there, because the hole right here, some of the water will go out. And I'm just gonna leave it on there for about another 30 minutes and let it just cook a little bit longer, because you can cook this up to 2 hours, but I'm gonna just do mine right in the middle and do an hour and a half, and then we'll come back. But it is getting nice and golden, kind of brown looking. So I'll be back in 30 more minutes. Thought I'd just let you look at it from here, and then we'll get us a cup of tea and taste it. Hey guys, it's Rexanna, and I'm back. I'm gonna put the camera down, and I'm gonna show you. I have let the reishi tea kind of cool a little bit. It cooked a little over an hour and a half, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I've poured some up in my cup here. I added about a teaspoon of honey, and I've tasted it already, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. That is what it looks like, and it's about the same color. And these little pieces here, they are, it's kind of, to me, it tastes kind of strong. It's kind of earthy. It has kind of a little bit of a bitter taste. I'm going to try to put a little bit more honey. I'm trying to hold my camera. Sorry for it being so... I don't like things real sweet, but I'm going to add just a little bit more honey to see if that doesn't help. I was told that if you cook it a little bit longer, it takes out the bitterness, the bitter flavor. So that's why I cooked it a little bit longer, and I let it sit. So we'll see if I add just a tad bit more honey, how that makes the flavor. Not much different. Not much different. But we're drinking it as a medicinal tea. I thought I would go over some of the benefits with you. Reshi mushroom is it's from Asia, and they have labeled it as the mushroom of mortality. And it's one of the most prevalent medicinal mushrooms of China and Japan. Sorry, I've got some of that honey. And for many years, I don't know, I think hundreds of years, it is a beautiful mushroom. I put the other mushroom up, and I will get it out and show it to you, because I put it in the plastic because I didn't want it. It's already dry, but I wanted to show you. It's kind of, to me, it looks like it's kind of shiny on one side. On the other side is where the spores come out. This almost looks like a piece of furniture to me. It looks like there's some sort of a varnish on it. But the back side there, that's where they cut it off. And they have, like, here in the United States, they have farms that they grow these. But I got this actually not from the United States. I got mine actually from China. Mine came from actual China. And I think that's why it's dried. But I did find out after I had ordered that there is a place that I can order mine where it wouldn't be so hard. And so, but we all live and we all learn. Okay. So anyway, Reshi has that fun-shaped cap, reddish hue, and I think there are some different colors. Sorry, I'm going to try to put this down so you have a chance to not. Let me fix my camera. Hey guys, sorry about all the mishaps with the camera. This is my lion's mane, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick in these hard pieces. And if you want to come over here with me, I'm going to, and I don't know if I can get my camera down here, but I'm going to just see if I can cut it up. It is really hard to cut this up. This is not, I would suggest anybody that is looking to get this, get as fresh as you can. This is really getting hard. Even after I've boiled it, maybe it's easier. Yeah, it's easier to tear it. If you can just tear it, see, I'm just tearing it like that. Oops, water's going everywhere. It's easier to just tear it. If you try to cut it, because it's so rubbery, I'm going to just cut the side of it a little bit, and then you can tear it. Yeah, you can just tear it like that. I don't know why I'm cutting it, because it's kind of like rubber. And then I'm just going to open my tincture that I already have. And I'm just going to stick my pieces in it like that. And that's basically what I'm going to continue to do. So I'm not going to bore you with what I'm going to do, but I'm just going to continue to stick my mushroom, my reishi mushroom, in with my lion's mane. And as long as you have, you know, plenty of space, and you know, I think 4 to 6 weeks is the regular time to tincture it. And this is going to be a double extraction, and I can get back on here and do the double extraction with you, but this is going to be 4 to 6 weeks time period. So I'll come back on here and we'll do the double extraction together, and that's going to be several weeks from now. But do look in the description of this video, because this is just going to be how to make reishi tea. There's plenty of good benefits that are going to come with this reishi tea all by itself. And I do hope that you like this video, and there'll be a following video with this one, but it's going to be in several weeks, and it will be about the lion's mane and reishi tincture. So stay tuned. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, Past Present Herbs. And as always, share my content. If you are enjoying this, that's the best way you can help my channel grow, is to share my videos. And always look down in the description for more information. Sometimes I forget when I am editing and getting these videos out. I think, oh, I forgot to say this, or I forgot to do this, and I'll put something down in the description. And remember, Past Present Herbs, I'm still one person, so always email me if you have questions. I'll get back to you. I love making these videos for y'all, so always comment and tell me what you're doing with mushrooms. And I love putting this kind of content out. I'm learning just like everybody else is learning, so if there's something that you know, please share your information with me. This is a journey, and remember, I'm an herbalist. I'm not a doctor, and this is for educational purposes only, okay? So y'all have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video, okay? God bless y'all. Bye-bye.